guys, it's John at Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. Thanks for stopping by the channel. I appreciate my supporters, and if you're new to the channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm kind of happy about it. I picked up this guy, which is a 22-inch Weber kettle, so we will be seasoning and burning off the impurities, so stick around and we'll get in it. All right, so I have Salt, Pepper, and Fire Jr. with me today, and we are going to get this seasoned. I have it pulled down to the bare bowl right here, and we're going to start with it. First step, we will just apply some oil, any kind, canola oil, vegetable oil, to the bottom bowl, and we'll go ahead and do that now. This is just to season and kind of work some of these impurities and leftover oils off of the bowl before we start cooking. All right, so we are working our way out now. We will do the charcoal rack and wipe it off. I don't know if that's focusing well, but you can kind of see some of the oils and dust left over just after that first swipe on the initial rack and bottom bowl. All right, now we will wipe down the cooking rack with oil. And now we'll wipe down the cover. All right, so we have all the surfaces oiled down and cleaned off as best possible. So I have a charcoal chimney full of cowboy lump charcoal, and I will be using the Weber fire starters for the burn off. So I'll get that prepared, I'll get it in, and we'll light it up and get this fire going. All right, so we are just waiting for the coals to ash over, and once they do, we will dump them in the bowl and just let the fire do what it does. I have the bottom vent open all the way, and once I put the top on, I'll open that vent all the way to get it hot as I can in there, and we will just let it burn for a while and burn off. Alright, so that is pretty much it. You can see I was a little hasty on dumping the coals, but they are up and going now, so we're just burning a good fire, and we're just going to let it roll for a while, and we will be ready to cook on it soon. I don't know if you guys heard that, but the dog was losing his mind there for a second. Anyway, I just want to thank you for stopping by the channel again. Please give me a like, a comment, a subscribe. I'm looking forward to really good cooks on this Weber. Glad I got it. And we will see you guys next time.